Are you having low sounds for incoming notification? Hi there, here is the best and easy way to solve your low sounds when receiving notification on the iPhone from iMessage, WhatsApp, Facebook, and others. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Solution 1. Disable auto low sounds for notification. Open Setting, scroll down, tap Face ID and passcode. Enter your passcode, scroll down, turn off Attention Aware feature from here. Quickly after that, go back to Main Setting, scroll down, tap Sounds and Haptic. Make sure to encase your sound to max level. Solution 2. Turn off mono audio for ringtone. Open Setting, scroll down, tap Accessibility, scroll down, tap Audio and Visual. From here, turn off mono audio and scroll down to button. Make sure to set this rounds bar in the middle. Solution 3. Turn off restriction. Open Setting, scroll down, tap Screen Time, scroll down, tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now toggle this feature off. Now restart your iPhone. After that, your low notification issue is going to be solved. Now, if you still have any problems, by any chance, please let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.